upcoming on routine system tests. What the heck? And so much more. So stay tuned for the video. Anyway, let's get to the video. Oh shoot, I forgot to mount this. That's better. I took it off because I wanted to take it to the Dunkin'. Yeah, I had to mount it kind of crooked because it wouldn't stay in if I didn't. So you're just gonna have to ignore the fact that that is crooked. Yeah, I got rid of that speaker because I'm gonna be taking it to my house. I'm gonna be making the podcasts at my house. So, yeah. Anyway, so I have my computer speakers, and I have a Bluetooth speaker, and I have some headphones that I'm gonna use for my computer speakers. But yeah, I still have the voice evacuation. Wait, let me make sure this works.
Attention. An emergency has been reported in the building. Please leave the building. Do not use the elevators.
Okay, guys, if I have this all the way up, which is the only way I can make it so you can actually hear it, kind of. It just goes absolutely crazy. But anyway, enough yapping. Let's get started. I'm going to hex key activate this to show you what I did. It's just the same as normal.
Attention. A fire emergency has been reported in the building.
Two screws are crooked.
Do not use the elevators.
And yes, I am doing the L series because I haven't done it in a while. Okay. Next, let's do the smoke detector. What the heck? Am I out? Oh, I gotta refill it. Okay, well, do a little camera trick. And now it's magically filled.
Attention. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please leave the building with the nearest fire exit or fire stairway. Do not use
Why did it take so long for the L series to activate?
Attention. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please
That should
leave
be aired
the building
out.
with the nearest fire exit or fire stairway. Do not use the elevators.
001T.
Attention. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please leave the building with the nearest fire exit or fire stairway. Do not use the elevators.
Good heat detector. 600 degrees Fahrenheit.
Attention. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please leave the building with the nearest fire exit or fire stairway. Do not use the attention.
Now it's just spraying it with liquid nitrogen. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with this. Okay. Let's do police. We gotta do the Firelight BG-12. Forgot to do that. Oh, guys, remember how I said this was kind of loose? Well, I fixed it. There's a delay again. You guys notice anything different about my shoes? About my Crocs? These are not mine. Well, these were my Nana's, but
Attention.
she said these were too small for her, and they're the perfect size for me. So they're size 6.
Do not use the elevators. Attention.
Let me go reset it. Yeah, all we gotta worry about silencing is that L series. see, now we can finally do police. What the heck?
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Okay. Now what do I do? Oh, yeah. This.
Attention. Attention.
What the heck? Why did the speaker stop, too?
Attention.
Oh, this thing is broke.
He has been reported in the building.
Shoot.
Please leave the building.
Oh, no. That's... Guys, this was an unexpected system test. Usually there would be a light on right here, and it's not on. Yeah, the bell's all right. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to get a new panel. That's fun. Well, yeah. Well, you guys will get to see a new sprinkler panel in a new system test. I don't know what just happened. You guys saw it was going off, then it stopped, and then it kept going, and then it just stopped again. Like the pole station's activated, the panel's in alarm. I mean, it's in alert, it's in supervisory. What is happening? Okay, guys, you will get to see a new panel, possibly a new bell. Yeah. Yeah, see, if I try to reset it, there's no tone because it's broke. Smoke detector, get up there. Okay, we'll just leave it hanging. Anyway, guys, yeah, you will get to see a new sprinkler panel. Next system test. That's why we do daily system tests, possibly hourly system tests. Anyway, bye, guys.